Yeah, morning all. So in the last session, just I was discussing about DJANGO and web terminologies, right? World Wide Web, Internet, web page, website, web application, web browser, and web server, right? So World Wide Web is a system of internet servers that supports hypertext documents. The documents are called as web pages, and the starting point in a document is called as home page. Web pages are identified by their URL. Web pages are identified by their URL, right? Okay, facebook.com. URLs has got two components, protocol that is HTTP and a domain name, right? This Facebook. Difference between internet and in www, right? Internet is a network of networks. It connects millions of computers, forming a very large network in which any computer can communicate with any other computer. World Wide Web is a way of accessing information over the internet. It's a service of internet. World Wide Web is a service of internet. WWW is the information sharing model. World Wide Web is a information sharing model, right? Yes. Okay. What is a web page? Web page is a document written in a language called HTML, which enables to bring together all the text, images, audio, video, links all at one place, right? Yes. What is a website? It is a group of interlinked web pages which have a single domain name, right? Why website? To showcase your products and services, branding your business, and allows to increase the customer support. Web application is nothing but which runs on a web server. Web application which runs on a web server and uses a web technology to perform operations over the internet. Web browser, it is a software that we use browsing for browsing, and we provide requests for web pages using it, right? Web server, it refers to software that provides it users with the requested documents, right? Web framework, right? It is a code library, right? It is a code library which helps you to build flexible web applications. Various web frameworks in Python: Django, Flask, Pyramid, Turbo Gear, right? Yes. Django, right, is a web development framework which offers a fast and effective website development. Advantages, right? Easy to set up and provides ready-to-use interface, builds all types of systems, end-to-end application testing, powerful URL system, built-in authentication system, automatic admin interface, less code, not repeated, and fast development. Companies using Django, these are some of the companies, right? NASA, Pinterest, knows this all this, right? PBS, Public Broadcasting Service, Instagram. These are some of the examples which are using Django. Difference between MVC and MVT, right? In MVC, we need to write the entire logics, but in MVT, we don't need to write all the logics for performing those operations, right? Model view template, we say. So today, like, we'll go. So as I said, before I go with the Django, I'll be discussing about that UI technologies, right? I'll be, yes. We go with the HTML. HTML, right? Like hypertext. Today my discussion will be on HTML hypertext markup language. HTML is the major language.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, yeah.
So, what is markup language?
Yeah, I'll be explaining one by what do you mean by hyper, what do you mean by text, what do you mean by markup language, right? So I will just expand this hyper text markup language. So before that, right? Web pages are written in HTML. They are written in HTML. Web pages are written in HTML, which enables us to bring together the text. Web pages are written in HTML, which enables to bring all text, images, videos, links, etc., all into one place. So here HTML, right, is a markup language. HTML is a markup language that does all the structuring and formatting job. All the structuring and formatting job, right? Yes. What do you mean by hyper text markup language? Hyper. The first one is hyper text markup language. What do you mean by markup? Markup language, right? HTML allows non-linear access to information. Hyper means what? HTML allows non-linear access to information. What do you mean by non-linear and what do you mean by linear? Linear means from first to last, right? Linearly. Non-linear means anybody can, for example, linear. For example, if you want to read a storybook, right, you will read from the first page to last page linearly. But for example, if you want to search for a particular topic of Python, if you want functions topic, you will just directly will go to that non-linearly. Directly you will go to that particular page and you can go through it, right? But here HTML allows non-linear access means non-linear in the sense, just I'm writing here, anyone can access anyone can access anything. Anyone can access anything from the World Wide Web. Anyone can access anything from the World Wide Web. HTML allows non-linear access to information. Anyone can access anything from the World Wide Web. Text. HTML code is simple text. Tags are used to mark the information. So we have tags. We'll be discussing all one by one tags, right? So HTML is a markup language. Here tags are used to mark the information. Text HTML code is simple text language. It is a language. Hypertext markup language. Non-linear access to information to World Wide Web. It is in a simple text. We use tag to mark the information, and it's a language. Steps in writing HTML code. So for writing HTML code, right? For writing HTML code, we use Notepad. And secondly, we require a browser, a web browser like Chrome, Mozilla, etc. Internet Explorer. So now we'll be discussing about one by one tags, right? HTML tags. HTML tags. Starting a tag. Right? Yes. Starting a tag name, closing a tag /tag, right? If you want to appear the text in bold letters, right? Bold, opening a bold tag, closing the bold tag. Up to where, right? If you want to appear the text to appear in bold, you can say closing. Opening a bold tag and closing a bold tag. Every HTML code should begin with HTML and ends with HTML /HTML, right? Yes. So one by one tag. HTML, right? Yes. This tag identifies HTML is not case sensitive. HTML is not case sensitive. Sensitive, right? Yes. So HTML, this tag identifies that the document is HTML document. HTML is not case sensitive, right? Yes. Second is what? Head tag. We have got head tag, right? It consists head tag. It consists of only tag called title tag. Title. If you want to mention any title for your document, right? We have got a tag called title to specify the title for a document. To specify the title for the document. Next is body. Body tag. Body tag is important tag. Whatever you want to specify within the web page, whatever you want to display on your web page, right? Everything you are going to keep within the body tag. Whatever we want to display on the web page, whatever we want to display on the web page, everything should be kept within the body tag. Within the body tag. Next, we have got a tag called BR tag, break tag. To go to the next line. To go to the next line. Italic tag. Text appears in italic. Like bold. B is what? Bold. Bold tag. Text appears in bold. U, underline tag. Underline tag. P is what? Paragraph tag. I'll show you all these things practically, right? If you want to write a comment in HTML, we need to start like this. Comment hyphen hyphen, you specify the comment here and close with for displaying a comment. Now let us see one example, right, which consists of all these tags what we discussed till now. So if you want, we can parallelly do this, right? So you can open a notepad file, everyone, and first, before opening that, create and now okay. New folder, right? The Django October. Okay, October batch, right? So within that, I'll just create a node HTML, a folder. I'll create an HTML, new folder, HTML. Within this HTML, all the HTML documents I'll store. I'll create one folder for CSS. Okay, so I'll save this. Everyone, just try to open a notepad file. Yes. So this is comment. How to specify a comment in HTML, right? Just a Q. Sample HTML document. Sample HTML document. We need to save by using .html, right? Yes. Okay, first tag HTML tag. This tag says that it's a HTML document. Within the HTML document, we have got header tag. Header tag. Within the head tag, we have got one more tag. We need title tag to specify the title for the document. Sample web page. Observe this, sample web page slash title. Close it. Every tag should open and should be closed. What is that? Sample web page, and close this head tag slash head. Body tag. Within the body tag, whatever you want to display, everything you can write within this body tag. I'm just saying like, welcome to DJANGO world. Just have written some text, welcome to DJANGO world. What are the tags we have used? And if you want to, okay, welcome to DJANGO world. Slash body slash HTML. And here, if you want something in underlined format, Python is dynamic. Everything you want in bold, if you want everything in bold, right? See, everything, if you want, Python is dynamic. I want everything in bold, bold slash b. Everything you want in bold. Only Python I want in underlined format. Only Python should be in underlined format, means u and slash u. Only close the slash u here. Only slash u. If you are not closing this u, everything appears here in underlined format. I want only Python in underlined format. Next, one more tag, bold italic tag. italic. Python, right? Python, only Python I want in italic format. No, this time italic is object oriented. Otherwise, not this. Python, let it be in this. Let Python appear in bold. In italic format, I want. In italic format, I want object oriented. /I. Observe here, welcome to the Django world. In bold, I want Python. In underlined, I want Python is dynamic. In bold, in Python, I want it bold is italic format, object oriented. Just save it. File save. Yes. Okay. We can forward. Okay, we can give any font. Okay, I'll come back to that. Okay, next, I'm saving it as one sample web page. Sample web page dot html. Yes, I'm giving it as sample web page dot html. Now go and check in that HTML, right? Double click it now. You got in web page format. .html means now you can just double click or you can say Chrome, you can say, right, Python is up, but everything you want in a single line, right? But I want in different lines. I want in different lines, right? These things. So give br tag after this. After this, give br tag. After this, also specify br tag, break tag to print in the next lines. Br. Now check this, right? Br, everything three different lines. Now just go and refresh it. Go to this Chrome browser, right? Just refresh it. Here refresh option is there, right? This rounded arrow. Welcome to Python world. Python is dynamic, right? Python is object oriented. See, object oriented in italic format, it is printed. Python in bold format. Python is dynamic, everything in bold. Python only Python in Python underline format. Python is in underline format. Next is we have got font tag. Example for all this, right? Break tag, underline tag, italic tag, all we have used HTML. Next, font tag. But before we go with the font tag, we have got body attributes. See, for example, tag attribute, tag attribute equal to value, tag name attribute name equal to value, tag attribute name equal to value. Body, body tag has attributes like, body tag has attributes like, right? First one, bg color, bg color, right? Yes. The color to be used for the background, the color to be used for the background, bg color. The color to be used for the, color to be used for the background. The color to be used for the background. Text, the color to be used for the text in the web page. Now just observe this. Now up to now, if you see, this web page doesn't have any color, the text also doesn't have any color. I can specify that color and text color. I can specify the background color of the web page. Just now I'll just change it, just go to this. Okay, I'll open one more page. I'm pasting the same thing, right? Now here body is there. I can take body, bg color, bg color, color, bg color equal to red color, red. What is the text color you want? Text color, yellow, yellow. Bg color is red, text color is yellow. I'm taking. Go to this web page, right? With chroma double click. Now you can see. The background color of the web page I given red and the text is yellow color. See here where I have specified it here. Body BG color is red, text is yellow. Okay, 1 second. If you want to use light red, you doesn't want this mark of dark red, right? 1 second. Note. We can also specify the colors in hexadecimal format. In hexadecimal format, right? We can also specify the colors in hexadecimal format. Observe. Hexadecimal means, for example, 0 indicates 0. After 9, you will get A. A means 10. B means 11. C means 12. D, E, F. 0 to 15. Hexadecimal means 16 values. 16 values means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 9. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And this is what? Zero indicates low. RGB. FF. This is first two Fs. First two Fs. Second two characters. 00 represents second two characters. 00 represents what? Yes. represent green. Zero zero indicates means zero means low. RGB represents green. Represents green. The second two characters 00 represents green, as 00 indicates no green. Third two characters, right? What is that? C3 represents blue with low. Yes, RGB also we can specify, right? So this first two, three, yes, just we need to represent in this way. Okay. Instead of red, I'm giving colors as low. You want to red as low, means give like some, I give ash and give 9 and the green 2 blue 1 right? Red you want some value, green blue, red green blue. Now check this color, right? Just go and refresh. Now you got this is dark red. You'll get like this. Okay. If you are increasing, if you want to increase this green, if you are increasing this green to 88, right? Check it once, refresh. It will go like this. Green is increased. For example, if you decrease red more to red is 2 if I give. Check this by giving this red is decreased first to 2, right? Now check it, right? Yes, red is decreased. You will get more green. Okay.
I have one question, Vijay.
Yes, yes.
Only 3 colors options are there, or we can use any?
So you can get different colors, RGB, combination of RGB. See, if green is there, if you increase this blue color, you will get different color. You see, if I'm making 9 9, now you see which color you will get. In this way, you will get blue is increased. Means if you want specific color, like directly you can give red or blue or yellow or green or orange, anything, any colors you can specify. Whichever color you want, you can specify here. And it doesn't want, I want combination of those, you can specify in this. If you directly specify, you can specify the color which you want. Otherwise, you want a mixture of RGB. If you want a mixture of RGB, then you can in this way. Now check it 1 second. Now this is an example. Next is headings. I want some headings. Specifying some headings, right? HTML provides six tags for headings from H1 to H6. HTML provides 6 tags from headings from H1 to H6. H1 will be the bigger heading. H2, H3, H4, H5 up to H. I'll copy the same thing, right? I'll copy the same. I'm pasting here. Now, headings I want. H1. Python programming, I'm saying Python /H1. I'm closing it. I'll copy paste for this for 6 times. Control V, Control V. H2/H2. H3/H3. H4/H4. H5/H5.
Indentation really matter here or what?
H1, H2, H3, H. Wow, you can see the difference about H1 to dot HTML headings dot HTML. Python programming, programming like this. Background I am giving red. Refresh. Now you can change and you can just refresh it. You'll get like this. Headings you can see that bigger heading, small heading, H1, H2, H3. If you want to see that heading, okay, top center of my page. If you want to, there's one more tag, center tag. For the text to appear in center. You want this first heading, you want this as center and close this center slash center, right? Yes. Just refresh, go and refresh. It will appear in the center. Python programming, can you see here? Python programming. Yes, Python programming appearing in center. Okay, this is tag attribute value. Tag attribute value. Next. Now just observe this. We have got a tag like mark you. Displaying text in scrolling form. Displaying text in scrolling form. Displaying text in scrolling form is, for example, observe, you can just observe here the same thing I'm taking, right? I'm creating a notepad file, pasting this same in this. Now I'll just apply. Okay. Here just observe here. H2 I'm using, or H1 in bold. New DJANGO batch. Starting from today. New DJANGO batch starting from today, right? Just keep this in mark you. Keep everything within this mark you. New. mark.html, save it. Yes, after saving, right, just check it, right? Yes. So yeah, you'll get output like this. You get like in that. So this HTML is used for presenting your data on the web page. How would you present your data on the web page? By using different font colors, images, tags, tables, right? Yes, some query was asked. What is it? Can I start this line with B? Yes, anything, any order you can start. Both will be applied on the text. It will be bold and it will be in H1 format. Yes, anything you can start H1 first, B next. or B or H1. Both that behavior will be applied on the text.
Indentation should be matched over there or what?
No
Like a-
indentation. No indentation in HTML. You can start from anywhere.
Okay, like a SQL.
Yeah, you can. There is no indentation required. You can start from any part of the line, right? Okay. For example, you have got a lot of behaviors here. 1 second. Mark you. Displaying the text in scrolling form. Now, attributes of mark you. Attributes of mark you are attributes like we have got align. Okay. Behavior, you can say behavior. What is the behavior? It says it says how the text in the markup should move, right? First one is what? Scroll. Second is slide. I'll come back to this. Third is alternate or bounce. Alternate. Next is what? Loop. How many times? How many times? BG color, COL, BG color. It sets the background color for the marquee box. BG color, it sets the background color for the marquee box, right? Yes. Direction. I'll just give some example, right? It sets the direction. It sets the direction. The text should scroll, right? The text is example left, right, down, up. Or sometimes you can say we need to say bottom, top. Left, right, up, down, right? By default, it is left. And height also, we can specify the height of the marquee. Height specifies. Okay, just coming back to this example, right? Yes. So here I need to specify the height, specifies the height of the marquee, direction of the marquee. The text should scroll direction equal to left. BG color, background color I want. Okay. Okay, 1 second. Let it. Okay, marquee. First one I'll take scroll. Marquee behavior equal to scroll. Behavior equal to scroll. Scroll means what? Yes, 1 second. Here scroll. Text scrolls across the marquee. Across the marquee. Behavior equal to scroll. I will take BG color. BG color is there, right? One more attribute. BG color equal to some green. BG color is green, right? Next height, HEIGHT, height equal to 100. Let me check with these features, right? How it is going to. Yes. New Django batch starting from it comes. It what is scroll means? It scrolls across the marquee. It will scroll. So here, what is that? Text scrolls. Text comes from one side, goes away from the other side. Text comes from one side and goes away from the other side. Next is slide. Text comes from one side and stops at the other side, right? So just observe this. If I say this is first, let me show you. This is the example. Make it 70. Make the height as 70, right? Yes. Make the height as 70 and behavior as slide. Okay, slide, right? Yes. Okay, just refresh it. Go and refresh. Now if you refresh it, new DJANGO batch starting from today. Yes, it comes from one side and stops at the other side, right? Stops at the other side. New DJANGO batch starting. Okay, this one. It stops at the other side. How to scroll top to bottom? Yes, now I'll just show you that. Top to bottom. Yes, 1 second. Now see the next one. Top to bottom if you want. Next is alternate. 1 second. Just check with alternate, and if you alternate means alternate. Just check this alternate, right? Yes. Okay. One more thing is 1 second. Scroll delay is there. Mm, yeah, somebody asked that the speed, how much you want. Scroll delay. Yeah. How to scroll from left to right. Scroll delay means observe this. Scroll delay equal to 100. Alternate. See this? This is alternate, right? Alternate it moves. 1 second. Scroll delay. Then if I give right. If I use scroll delay as 500, scroll delay equal to 500. Check this. In this way, we can control the speed, right? Some default value is 85. Value below 60 is ignored. And see this, for example, this for alternate. Between the web page. Scrolls alternatively between the web page, right? Yes. Yes. Now you said, okay, for example, if I'm giving like this, now check it. Height equal to 70, direction equal to, direction I'll say, direction equal to Up, I'm saying direction equal to up. Height is make it to 200 as the height. 200 as the height you make. Alternate, yes. .300 height, yes. Check it now. Yes, direction up I have given. Height is 300 I have given. Behavior is alternate, right? Yes. In this way. Don't give this speed scroll delay, will remove it. Default it takes. It will, if you're not providing anything, default value it will take. None of that arguments if you provide also, it will only mark you if you give also, it will work. So in this way, it goes from one side. Top up I have given, right? Up I have given, direction up I have given, right? Yes. It will start, go stop. This is alternate. Yes. Okay. In this way, you can work with it, right? Yes. This entire program I'll take it. Okay. So, okay. So this is just introduction to this HTML, right? Yes, we'll discuss more in the next week, right? So next week, this anyone, if you are not enrolled with this, right, get enrolled. The link will be changing for the next Saturday. So the enrollment process, everything you can see in the chart panel, right? In the chart panel, that what is that, and the contact details of the online team, the other things, right? Okay. So next week we'll be increasing the time, right? We'll go with 9 to 11, 9 to 11 on Saturdays and Sundays, right? Fine. So any other queries, right? Anyone? HTML, CSS. CSS means adding many styles, right, to this HTML tags. Bootstrap, ready-made styles are available that we'll be using it. Bootstrap, JavaScript. Before I go with the Django, right? Yes. Fine. So I'll stop. I'm stopping here for now. Meet you tomorrow. That is next Saturday again to see more on this HTML, right? Yes. Okay, fine. I'm stopping here. We'll continue.